Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're going to be doing is take a look at Andrew Sheps' Snare Revereb trick. Andrew Sheps is an American mix engineer who has been working with such great musicians as Red Hot Chili Peppers, Metallica, Jay-Z, Adele, and many more. Also, Andrew Scheps has wonderful videos and courses on mixing with the masters. So, if you want to learn from Andrew Scheps on mixing, you can check out his videos and courses on Mix with the Masters. The link will be in the info box of this video. So, in our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Andrew Scheps' Snare Revereb trick. First of all, let's have a listen to our snare without any reverb. To create Andrew Scheps' Snare Revereb trick, first of all we have to create a bass, and on this bass we're gonna be using a gate plugin so we can gate our snare to hear only transients of our snare. After our gate plugin, we're gonna be using a reverb plugin. And here we're going to be using pre-delay around 37 milliseconds, and we're going to be using decay around 750 milliseconds. So let's have a listen to our snare with our gate and our reverb on. And here, by using fader of our snare reverb, we can blend our snare reverb signal to our original snare sound. Now let's have a listen to our snare in our drums mix with our snare reverb and without our snare reverb. So, by using this simple trick from Andrew Scheps, you can make your snare sound punchy in any mix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and I hope this video will be useful for you. Again, if you want to learn from Andrew Scheps on mixing, you can check out his videos and courses on Mix with the Masters. The link will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.